In the heart of Karachi, amidst the dawn of a new era, emerged a leader destined to reshape history, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. As we stand at Mazar-e-Quaid, the resting place of this visionary, we reflect on his indelible impact on the world. Born in British India, a land teetering on the brink of change, Jinnah's journey began with a thirst for knowledge and justice. From an early age, Jinnah exhibited exceptional intellect, pursuing education with relentless passion. His quest led him to England, where he embraced the ideals of democracy and self-governance. Returning as a brilliant barrister, Jinnah was poised to challenge the status quo. In these formative years, he witnessed the profound complexities of colonial India, its vibrant cultures shadowed by simmering tensions. Yet it was within this crucible of change that Jinnah's vision took shape, a vision that would eventually lead to the creation of Pakistan. Join us as we delve deeper into the life of quaid-e-azam, exploring his early influences and unwavering commitment to justice and equality. In the heart of British India, amid a vibrant tapestry of cultures and emerging tensions, a figure of remarkable vision and determination stood tall: Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Engaging with the Indian National Congress, Jinnah passionately advocated for a unified India. He envisioned a land where Hindus and Muslims could live side by side, their rights protected, their voices respected. His early political career was characterized by a relentless pursuit of unity and coexistence. Jinnah's involvement with the Congress was not just political, it was personal. He believed that through dialogue and mutual respect, the diverse communities of India could forge a common destiny. Yet as the years progressed, the dream of unity faced mounting challenges. The growing communal tensions began to cast a shadow over Jinnah's vision. Despite these challenges, his commitment to fostering Hindu-Muslim harmony remained unwavering. As Jinnah's journey continued, the reality of rising divisions became undeniable, setting the stage for a pivotal shift in his approach. This evolution marked the next chapter in his remarkable story, one that would ultimately reshape the destiny of millions. In the midst of escalating violence, Jinnah's steadfast commitment to unity faced its greatest test. The dream of a harmonious India seemed to slip further from his grasp as tensions between communities reached a boiling point. Realizing that the hope for a unified nation was fading, Jinnah's vision began to shift. He saw the urgent need for a separate homeland where Muslims could live with dignity and freedom. It was during this turbulent period that Jinnah's resolve crystallized into action. In March 1940, he stood at the forefront of the Muslim League, introducing the Lahore Resolution. This moment marked a pivotal turning point as it laid the foundation for what would eventually become Pakistan. Jinnah's advocacy for a separate nation was not born out of division, but from a necessity to protect and uplift a community marginalized and misunderstood. His leadership during this critical juncture was not just about political maneuvering, it was about forging a new path, one built on the principles of self-determination and justice. As the resolution echoed across the subcontinent, it signaled a new chapter in the struggle for independence. The seeds of change had been sown, setting the stage for a monumental transformation. And while the journey was fraught with challenges, Jinnah's vision had a direction that would soon lead to the birth of a new nation. Transitioning from this turning point, we delve deeper into Jinnah's unwavering leadership during the creation of Pakistan. In the wake of communal tensions, the vision for a separate nation emerged clearer than ever. Muhammad Ali Jinnah stood at the forefront, a leader determined to carve out a new destiny for millions. His voice resonated with the hope and dreams of countless Muslims, yearning for a homeland where they could thrive in harmony and security. As the architect of Pakistan, Jinnah's leadership during the tumultuous partition was pivotal. He navigated through a sea of challenges, his resolve unyielding. The partition was not just a geographical division, but a seismic shift in identity, fraught with violence and displacement. Amidst the chaos, Jinnah's vision remained steadfast. An independent Pakistan built on the principles of justice, equality, and democracy. His speeches echoed with a promise of freedom and prosperity. He envisioned Pakistan as a sanctuary for all, where cultural and religious diversity would be respected. Jinnah knew that the creation of Pakistan was not just an end, but a beginning, a chance to build a nation based on unity and peace. Despite the hurdles, Jinnah's unshakable belief in the future of Pakistan was infectious. His commitment inspired a generation, sowing seeds of hope in a land born. His vision began to take shape, a nation poised to rise from its trials stronger and more united. Jinnah's dream for Pakistan was more than just a political aspiration. It was a testament to his unwavering dedication to his people. As we reflect on his legacy, we see a leader who transformed aspirations into reality, leaving an indelible mark on history. And so, the story of Pakistan begins, guided by Jinnah's enduring vision. Next, we delve into his legacy, a vision that continues to inspire and guide future generations. In the twilight of his journey, Muhammad Ali Jinnah's legacy looms large over Pakistan. His vision, forged through the fires of political struggle, remains a guiding light for the nation he helped to birth. Jinnah's dream was not just of a new country, but of a land where justice and equality would reign supreme. His leadership during the tumultuous birth of Pakistan set the foundation for a nation built on the principles of democracy and religious freedom. Reflecting on his contributions, we see a man who stood firm against adversity, embodying resilience and determination. Jinnah's ideals continue to resonate, inspiring generations to uphold the values he cherished so deeply. As he once said, with faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. His enduring impact is felt not only in the physical landscape of Pakistan, but in the hearts of its people, who strive to realize his vision of a prosperous and harmonious nation. The legacy of quaid-e-azam is not merely etched in history, but lives on in the spirit of Pakistan, a testament to his unwavering dedication to his people and his cause. As we reflect on his life, we honor a leader whose ideals continue to shape the destiny of a nation poised for greatness.